Guys, check this speaker came with my YG300 projector. I recently tried to blow it up with my 50 watts amplifier because I already upgraded the speaker came with this because it sounded sucks. This is why it sounded sucks. It's too small and it's not sealed. This whole cabinet is its box, so and it's not sealed too, so it can make an echo to make a can sound. So this speaker is kinda good though. It survives this amplifier. This amplifier is too powerful. It can produce 50 watts at max volume, but I tried to turn the volume max on this amplifier, but this thing still survives it. And it's running for a minute and it killed the battery. I mean, it drained. And this thing still runs fine. No burn smells or or warm parts here. It's just running fine, and the driver of this thing doesn't move a lot. I like that. It just move like this. Doesn't move a lot. And I don't hear any voice coil here hitting the bottom here. It's just making a pure sound. What kind of driver is this? It's too strong. Even it's only 1 watts 8 ohms. It's too strong. It can survive this. This thing has higher watt, has 50 times wattage than this thing, and this thing survives it. It's just working fine. If you're the company of this projector, if you're the whatever, if you're the manufacturer of this projector watching this, please make this thing sound better. It kinda sounds like can. So I decided to upgrade with a new one. That one sounded like a laptop speaker, but better than this. But this one has a better voice coil. It can survive this one. So thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye bye.